At Birdview, we continue to enhance our product offering through innovation and seamless integration. I'm very excited to share our most recent development, the integration between Birdview and Microsoft SharePoint. This will allow you to simplify your file sharing process and collaborate on important documents with your team. Now, it's important to note that this integration is available for all our Birdview users. To access this integration, you will need to have active accounts for SharePoint and Birdview. To attach a SharePoint file, go to the Activity Center and select any project or activity. Now, go to the message board, click on the paperclip icon, and select SharePoint. If this is the first time you are attempting to attach a file from SharePoint, the system will ask you to grant Birdview permissions to access your Microsoft account. If you were previously logged into SharePoint account, you will be redirected to your SharePoint library. Otherwise, Birdview will ask you to input your login information for SharePoint. Pick the files that you want to share in Birdview and click on the Select button. You can now see the files attached to your message in draft. Click on the Post icon to be able to share the files. All the files shared will be stored within SharePoint and do not take up Birdview's cloud storage space once they are attached. Once you click on any file within Birdview, project, or the activity, you will be redirected to the SharePoint library where you can view, edit, and manage the file, depending on your SharePoint user permissions. We hope that our integration between Birdview and SharePoint will help you save valuable time and efficiency on document management when collaborating with the rest of your team, ensuring that everyone is in the loop. Stay tuned for more such innovations and seamless integration at birdviewpsa.com.